Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to share a very easy Indian dessert recipe, vermicelli or Seviyan Kheer or Semiya Payasam in the instant pot. Making kheer in the instant pot is a game changer. The best thing about making kheer in the instant pot is you don't need to stir the milk for hours to get thickened, and it is ready in less than 30 minutes without you spending hours in kitchen. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make vermicelli kheer in the instant pot. Check the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below for the written recipe. To the inner pot, add roasted vermicelli. If you have an unroasted vermicelli, roast it in the ghee until it turns golden brown color. Add sugar. Adjust the sweetness according to your preference. Add mixed unsalted roasted nuts. If you don't have roasted nuts, before adding other ingredients to the inner pot, just add 1 tablespoon of ghee and saute the nuts until the golden brown color. Add raisins, cardamom powder. This gives a nice flavor to the kheer. A pinch of salt will enhance the taste of sweet. A pinch of saffron. This is optional, it gives a nice fragrance to the kheer. Add ghee. I'm adding homemade ghee. Making ghee in the instant pot is so easy. I have shared the recipe link in the description box below, please do check it. Add milk of your choice. I'm using 2% milk. If you want a vegan version, add coconut milk instead of regular milk and skip adding the ghee. Give it a mix. Close the lid and seal the vent. You can make this kheer in 2 methods. You can cook the kheer in porridge mode for 10 minutes or in the pressure cook mode for 5 minutes. Either way, turn off the keep warm button. That's it. Walk away. Let the instant pot do the magic. Once the instant pot is done cooking, release the pressure naturally for 10 minutes and release the remaining pressure. Once the pin goes down, open the lid carefully. Guys, it smells so good. Mix it well. If needed to get the desired consistency, cook on saute mode for 2 to 3 minutes. Or if it is too thick for you, add more milk, mix it well and let it boil for a couple of minutes. Look at the creamy vermicelli kheer is ready without you spend much time in the kitchen. Serve the Semiya Payasam warm or chilled. If you have not tried kheer in the instant pot yet, give this recipe a try. You will love it. Trust me, it's hassle-free and makes a creamy payasam in few minutes without continuous stirring and spending hours in the kitchen. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.